We are at DLF Phase 2. We are standing outside the property which is built in 300 square yards. We're going to get inside this property with a colleague of mine. Her name is Sonam. So let me just take you inside. This is the stilt parking area. On the right hand side you'll see an XUV parked, and on the left hand side you've got enough sufficient space to park your vehicle. Now, probably moving a little more inside, you'll also see the servant quarters on the right hand side, and that's how the space is meant. That's all about this property. My name is Anupam and I am from Gurugram Estate Private Limited. I'm standing inside DLF Phase 2 today. This is a 300 square yard size property which has a 4-bedroom hall kitchen, dining drawing, and this is my colleague. Her name is Sonam.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam. I work in Gurugram Estate Private Limited.
We'll take you through the complete tour and the presentation of the property. Please come along with us. This is the drawing section of the property, which is approximately a huge size room. एक काफ़ी बड़ा रूम है. This is a huge size room. ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि प्लॉट साइज थोड़ा सा छोटा है, और इसमें फैंस वगैरह हेवल्स के लगाए हुए हैं. ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यू विल सी दिस इज टेक्सचर्ड वॉलपेपर, एंड ये एसी की प्रोविजनिंग है. कॉर्नर से पूरा फॉल सीलिंग का. यू हैव गॉट no balcony attached with this in the front, but on the left we have a balcony. So let's cover up the balcony space. This is the balcony space that we have. So the balcony space is little small since this is specific as per the need. यहाँ पर आपका टैप दिया हुआ है. एक्सटर्नल एसी यहाँ पर हैंग कर सकते हैं आप, and it's a 2-side open plot. So in the front, this is surrounded by the lush green tropical nature. Coming inside the property, this is the drawing section that we were at. इसमें एक wooden का design दिया हुआ है, which is very nice. Nice?
Yes sir, it is.
This is looking nice. So let's move inside the dining section of the property. This is the dining section. This is also as huge as it is. Now, when we talk about the dining section includes the way you keep in your dining table, the way you keep in your sofas, your anything that you have, जिसको आप अच्छे से रख सकते हो, मैनेज कर सकते हो. ये भी आपका वॉलपेपर दिया हुआ है वॉल के ऊपर. ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यू विल सी कि एसी का एक्सटर्नल यूनिट, इधर इंडोर यूनिट लगेगा आपका. दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर यू कैन अगर आप you want to sketch something, you want to encrypt something, एक ड्राइंग वगैरह या फिर एक सीनरी यहाँ पर एक बड़ी लगा सकते हैं आप. Now, Sonam, let's cover up the first bedroom of the property. Start with you.
So this is the first bedroom set we have. Please come inside. As you can see, the tiles are in very good quality. You have a balcony attached to it with a mesh door which you can close and let the air come in.
This is, I'm so sorry to correct you, since the surface is an Italian surface. This is an Italian.
So this is the first washroom we have. We are showing you. Every product is in the premium quality, as you can see yourself, with 2 wardrobes that are quite spacious. And this is the space you're getting for shower.
We're in the first bedroom, which is connected with the balcony, along as there was this drawing section which was connected with the balcony. So you've got the common balcony to use both the sections, and you've got a door size window on the front. दरवाज़ों की क्वालिटी जो नॉर्मल न्यूट्रल है, जो लोग लगा रहे हैं वही क्वालिटी है. दिस इज नथिंग समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल. दिस हैज़ अ वार्निश. Let's cover up with the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom of the property. Now this has again a wardrobe section here. This has a complete wardrobe section. This is a normal wardrobe section without the sensor and the LED engraved. Moving further, if you could rotate the camera a little, you've got the shaft area on the right hand side. This is the shaft area. You cannot have the access to go in there because it's closed. So it has a shaft area, the geysers वगैरह लगे हुए हैं. You've got a wooden console in the front. You can place your beds towards this way and start watching the televisions with your family. So यहाँ पर आपका wallpaper दिया हुआ है. This is a good quality wallpaper. Again, Sonam, please showcase them this washroom, please.
So with the second bedroom, you're getting the washroom inside. You have this whole space where you can keep all your belongings, your things. It also has a wardrobe to make it a little more spacious. Then a washroom and an attached shower place.
So we'll move to the third bedroom of the property, which goes by the dining section. This is the third, this is the fourth bedroom. So let's cover up the third bedroom now. This is again same as second that we've seen before. You've got a wallpaper, you have a wooden console, same design है, कोई difference नहीं है, सिर्फ इसके साथ में difference ये है, you've got a mesh door size window. Again, this is a sliding door which is going to get opened. At the back is the balcony space, which is covered for safety measures. And this space is very huge. यहाँ कपड़े वगैरह आपने सुखा सकते हो आप अच्छे से. अपना कवर करा हुआ है, पीछे में प्लॉट है. कल को इधर दीवार आएगी, probably इधर दीवार आती है. This is the balcony space at the back. ये आपका गीजर्स वगैरह लगा के यहाँ पर दे रहे हैं. एक्सटर्नल्स आपके यहाँ लग जाएंगे. So moving inside, we'll cover up the washroom space. This is the dresser's room, basically, if you want to consider it as a dresser's room. And you've got a wardrobe as well. These are the sliding wardrobes. इसमें सलमाइका लगाया हुआ है, of a good quality सलमाइका, हल्की क्वालिटी का नहीं है. And I just have to add, अगर इसमें एक shoe section होता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता नीचे. You've got a wall mount seat by Kohler. You've got the taps by Kohler. You've got a glass partition, but this glass partition stays to be very normal. This doesn't have a slide. Let's move out of this third bedroom and get connected to the fourth one. And when I say this is the fourth bedroom, भाई इसके अंदर इन्होंने बड़े बड़े टाइल दिए हैं, लेकिन टाइल ऐसा लगता है कि पत्थर है ये. So what is this? Is this a stone? This is a stone, right? So this again has a wallpaper on the right hand side. You've got LED panels engraved. This is again a wardrobe section. Very nice wardrobe section. इसमें shoe racks नीचे दिए हुए हैं, ये अच्छा कर दिया इन्होंने. This is the shoe rack at the down. And ये पूरा में ऊपर wooden panel का डिजाइन दिया हुआ है इन्होंने. That's the proper wood placed. External, इधर internal AC इधर लग जाएगा आपका. That's the place where you can install the indoor unit. This is again the balcony, the one I showed you with the second bedroom. This is also connected with this. That's the same balcony. You've got a mesh door here, mesh door. So just cover up this.
So along with this bedroom, this is your washroom. As you can see, the washroom is quite spacious, where the shelves are given for all your belongings, all your things, makeup, everything. Here you can keep. There's a lot of space.
There's a lot of space, even that's looking so pretty, this bowl.
Yes, right. So this, as you can see, this washing basin is so beautiful. And on this side, we have the shower area.
So we'll move inside the dining section once again, because we need to cover, last but not the least, is the kitchen space. So this kitchen specifically is designed in such a way wherein the complete ventilation would not be a problem out here. ये पूरा का पूरा ventilation है. यहाँ पर we have given small windows like this. ये आप open कर सकते हो evening hours में, in the morning hours or in the afternoon hours, so you can breathe the complete pure oxygen. This is again all shockers दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पर. Good quality stuff. थोड़ा सा मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगा, this you're getting CAF का है, चिमनी भी कैफ का है, हॉब वगैरह. This is a marble stone which has a diamond look in this. वॉश बेसिन थोड़ा सा हल्की क्वालिटी का दे दिया इन्होंने, इसको और अच्छा दे सकते थे. ये 304 नंबर का इन्होंने SS का दिया हुआ है. So this is something for your cutlery. You can keep your, here you can keep your pepper, grain, salt. This is the space to keep anything that you wish to. Now that's the another door. You've got enough space. Oh, that's nice. That's by Hardwin. This is by Hardwin. That's the expensive brand in today's date. So these are the spaces being utilized. इसमें अगर detergents के लिए दे देते तो एक चीज़ अच्छा होता. Again, they've repeated the same thing. You've got a shocker here. You've again got this. इसको you can slide it down. You can make it up. This is the place for your refrigerator. This is the place for your refrigerator where you can park your refrigerator. This is a nice, you know, the size of this kitchen is compact. I would not say competent, but it's compact as per 300 square yard property. इधर में इन्होंने wooden का एक design दे दिया है आपको, which looks little classy. This is to reiterate. This was Anupam from Gurugram Estate Private Limited. We are inside DLF Phase 2. The plot size is 300 square yards. This is a 4 BHK plus hall, kitchen, dining drawing. This was Sonam along with me. We thank you so very much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. And people, this one information that I would like to share it with you. We are hiring people. We're doing mass hiring for people who are passionate about real estate, who are willing to make up their future in the same industry. We welcome you aboard. And thank you so very much, viewers, for watching us. Thank you. Have a good day.